Let me ask you about one of the stories that Emily's been following, which is the Xiaomi IPO. We got the pricing today on the lower end of the range. This seems to have really kind of gone down. It was supposed to be this big splash coming in. We're still looking at, what, six billion raise, but it was expected to be 10 billion initially. It seems like investors have kind of cooled to that. Is this about the question surrounding the business model, or is this a broader sign of the sentiment in the market?
I think the answer to that is yes. There are issues with both, absolutely. I think definitely there's the markets is a factor. I mean, you know, we're in Hong Kong. It's summer. Volume is just kind of slowing down. Volatility's picking up. So I think that gives retail investors a bit of pause, and I think that's why the reception from the retail market wasn't terribly strong. So that's kind of more a market dynamic. Now, onto the company, the question is it a hardware company or is it a software company? They're trying very much to emulate another well-known tech company, Apple, I think, in building an ecosystem. So they start with the handsets and the other smart hardware, and then they build a business of services and transactions and content, this kind of software on top of that. And so I think the market right now is, given kind of the risk sentiment, it seems definitely risk off. I think that's a factor for the reception on the business model standpoint, because currently the revenues are basically all hardware. So I think the market's definitely looking at that as well.
Would you be a buyer?
I'd like to see how it trades. Let's see how it opens up.
Well, in the gray market, it's been down something like 6%. So we'll see if the supporters or the banks can come and stabilize the stock on Monday. But as Xiaomi is a tech company, we're seeing the likes of ZTE and Huawei and even China Mobile now get cornered by the United States. Could Xiaomi, in their plans for global expansion, get hurt by the ongoing trade tiff?
I think for their current business, the answer is no. They're not very big in the U.S. I don't think it's meaningful for them at all right now. India is more of a factor for them, kind of where they're trying to tap growth. So I think potentially that could be an issue, but I don't see that as being a near-term concern for them.